Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So this is applicable for both your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt, and you have to click on Run as administrator in the right pane. Then in this block window, you need to type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now. Then you have to hit on enter key on your keyboard. So this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So you just need to wait for this process to be completed, and unless it is not yet completed, then do not close out of this window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window, and once this is done, then just simply close out of here. In the Windows search bar again, type CMD. Then click on Run as administrator. Now type this second command, DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. Now this will also take some time depending on your Windows, so this will repair the Windows image. Now here is a tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, then you just need to simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you for the process to continue. And once the process has been done, then just simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Recovery. Click on that. Then here you'll find this option, Recovery option, Reset this PC. Click on it. But here's a tip. Make sure to remember, before you can go on with this process, make sure to back up everything on your Windows, all your personal files, apps, and settings. Click on Remove Everything. So after you have backed up everything, then you need to click on that button, then click on Cloud Download. And after that, this will reset your PC. So you just need to sign in again into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.